How many can you recognize without a single hint? Hit follow and find out in the next one. Can you guess these flags in just 2 seconds? Let's go. Yemen, Nepal, Syria, Peru, Vietnam. If these flags confused you, wait till you see part 2. Subscribe and turn on notifications. It's about to get spicy. But trust me, the next quiz, it'll make your brain do backflips. Lebanon, Venezuela, Bangladesh, Iran, Iraq. Your health is your real wealth. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you follow this kind of video daily, your mind will feel refreshed, your stress will drop, and you'll feel better mentally and physically. Just give yourself a few calm minutes. Now you're ready to guess whether it's correct or wrong. Let's go. Like this kind of content, subscribe, and make sure notifications are on so you don't miss the next one.